We're gonna do a shim kit. So this is a very cheap alternative to get a lot of front camber. So I'm trying to bring it to like 5.
Oh yeah. 6. Let's see what this can do.
Still not gonna work, but it went on a lot easier.
You might need like 2 more degrees.
Yeah.
How do you just tow in this car?
I expect that pain and nothing less. I don't need them favors that you asked me for. I could give 2 fucks about where the Grammys go. I just gave out Grammys on my Instagram.
Still really bad.
Boys, the business, man. It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give. Yeah.
The storage unit?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks a lot smaller in real life.
Yeah, in person. It's like stacked right now, dude.
Dang. So you got, how many more wheels you got? Maybe you could put 4, maybe like 4, 2, a whole set?
Yeah.
Another whole set?
Whole sets if I
Jesus Christ.
If I move, like, if I take my bike out.
Yeah, and sell it?
Yeah.
Dang, that's really high.
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, it was a bitch. I had to put the RPF ones up top.
Are these just tires, or are these actual?
Those are actual wheels.
Oh, there's real wheels there.
Those are the wheels.
Dang. Yeah, you need that unit.
Yeah, I really do. And I gotta sell these. Someone fucking take these off my hand.
Oh, shit,
$10.
255s?
Yeah.
Okay, action. Oh, nice. We're off to a great start.
Yep. Alright, so today we are finishing up a couple installs that we should have did a couple weekends ago, but stuff didn't come in on time. We're gonna do a shim kit. So this is a very cheap alternative to get a lot of front camber. And shout out to Front Wheel Drive Sucks on Instagram. He actually told me about this. I had no idea that this is how you pull a lot of camber. So we're gonna do this.
How cheap is cheap?
Well, so I was lazy and ECS Tuning had this kit for like 20 bucks. But you can just, literally all it is a bunch of washers and you just put it where the knuckle connects to the coil and it campers it. So you could probably spend like $5.
Oh, but
Home Depot.
yeah. But if you wanted everything right then and there, just go for the kit.
But I also I don't care, I got money.
Dang, yeah, you ain't lying.
So we're gonna be cheap and not get a short shifter right now.
Cheap.
All right, so we're doing all that today.
What's your current front right now?
I think with Travis is
3.5?
It is like 3.5, yeah.
Looks like mine.
So I'm trying to bring it to like 5.
5, oh yeah.
6.
Let's see what this can do. And then we throw the battles on. All right, quick release bumper timing now.
Jesus.
It's not pretty quick. Oh, you need an impact, dude.
I do.
That'd be quick.
I bet I need the next purchase. I had plans to buy TVs. I'm gonna buy a laptop.
Oh, that is pretty quick. Yeah, you don't need that.
It's quicker than normal, yeah. Hey, that the coil, it's not a traditional setup where like with the coil over, it slots like in between behind the hub and then you bolt it in. There's actually like a little hinge up here, like a door, where it rotates. So that's why it holds it up top. And then these 2 bottom bolts right here on the knuckle is where you put those spacers in, and that effectively will move the rotor this way.
Oh.
So that's pretty cool. You can save a lot of money doing this, so do it.
Keep in mind, guys, last week it was snowing and we were in pants and layers, and now he's in shorts and Crocs.
Yeah.
And it's not snowing. Virginia sucks. So you just need to tighten and that's it?
Yeah.
Dang.
Done. Hopefully you didn't mess up the toe too much. I did a lot.
Dude, that's a lot. It's not even on the ground.
Yeah. Your toe's not too off.
Oh yeah, I can't even really tell unless
I'm gonna drop it real quick.
like this. Oh.
I mean, it was still off.
Yeah.
It was towed out just a little. But I'll wait till I get my actual alignment. Plus, I don't really care about these tires.
Dang, hella sunken.
Yeah, Camber did it a lot, dude. I still don't think that's good enough to fit the battle.
Yeah, me either.
But we can try it real quick. Dude, that actually might be where I wanted to be at, like 5, 6, probably 5. It kind of matches the rear now. I mean, the rear was at 5.
Oh, the rear was at 5?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Let me put a more fitting wheel.
Do you own a more fitting wheel?
I mean, the RPFs are wider.
Yeah.
The battles are an inch and a half wider and way more aggressive. So, we got options. Dude, that's gonna clear easy.
You might, dude, get the battle. That's not gonna do anything.
Big boy. That'd be crazy if I could run these right now.
I don't know. I feel.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to, but
those are 9 plus 40.
these are 945.
Oh.
Those are 830. These are 9.5, 15.
That's a big difference. It's gonna look better than last time.
It is. It might go on easier.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that issue.
I sit down for this. It's heavy, dude. Still not gonna work, but it went on a lot easier.
Yeah. That's it.
Make it fit now.
Dude, it looks good like that.
It looks more believable.
You might need like 2 more degrees.
Yeah. So,
So what is that? 4 more washers?
I mean, you're getting rid of these.
Get rid of what? You really selling those?
I don't want to do too much work to put them on. I don't want to have like 8 up front. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Like 6 or 7's cool. Well, 7's kind of pushing it. 6 would be like my max. But these are just a little too aggressive. And I'm not wide bodying. I hate wide body.
So you're really selling them? You got tons of buyers.
I'll think about it. I do got a lot of people that want these. I'm gonna raffle them. 10 spots, 50.
Holy shit.
That's fair. That's 500. That's fair.
Oh, 500.
Yeah, 10 spots for 50.
50? No, dude, you need...
Unless we do 20 spots.
Spend 20. You need to get money.
10 spots for 100.
Let me buy one and win.
And,
Oh, yeah.
well, let's see. Let's throw that space around there.
You may need both of them junks.
On one, yeah. I don't know. What should we look? I know the 5s are going to be like real sunken.
Yeah, the RPFs look pretty sunken too.
But the offsets were a lot more aggressive though. We'll go RPF ones first. Looks better. Still sunken.
Still sunken.
Oh wait, we'll just take the camber off the top.
Oh yeah.
Keep forgetting about that. I kind of want to see this on the ground though. You know what I could probably do now? Run the TEs. Like actually roll away.
Oh, my TEs.
Yeah, I could probably roll away on the TEs now.
Oh yeah, you got that. Oh yeah, you.
Yeah, that one will work.
Oh yeah, because they were the same spec, close to the same spec as those.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's ugly.
It's towed out just
That way.
probably like a 16th, maybe an 8th. Dude, that thing's really something.
Oh yeah, you can see the toe.
Yeah,
Heavy.
It's not like terrible, but it definitely does need to be.
Aligned.
Yeah, I'll do that when I get an actual alignment. all the way out.
Yeah, that's still like maybe
It's still like a couple,
1.5,
yeah,
2.
that those bulbs gave me.
Oh,
Look at the toe.
yeah, that toe fucked.
Damn, it wasn't straight. Just gonna eyeball it.
How do you just toe in this car?
And there's my rod. Hoping I can get away, but that's not gonna be good.
It's still really bad.
Still looks bad. Okay, that does look a lot better. This is also my first time.
That's weird. It's my first time.
I've never adjusted. We could actually ride it like that and it wouldn't be.
Yeah, I don't think it'd be bad,
But
but I feel like you could get it better.
Well, yeah, because in theory, you do want your car towed in more, like by like a degree. Not even a degree, but like an eighth. Because if you think about it, when the car's on the ground and you're driving in a straight line, it's gonna rear off. You want your 2 front tires to be towed in so it stays in that straight line. So,
Okay, alignment god.
well,
Hanging with Travis too
well,
much.
but also just think to a lot of like prepping for this because I knew it was gonna happen.
Dang! Did a rub and chug. I mean,
You know what we should invest in then? These fucking toe plates.
the plates.
Yeah, let's. I saw a set. It's like toe
How much is it?
It's like 4 toe plates. I don't know why you need 4. You probably only need 2. But then it comes with 2 measuring tapes too, so you can get the exact angle.
How much are they?
It's like 70.
Dang, that's cheap.
Or we could just make it.
Nah, I'd rather buy it.
All right, let me tighten it back up.
Hell yeah. Wow.
I forgot what it was to tighten it. I think I used the adjustable.
Man, did a toe and go.
Definitely not charging 70. I'm charging 100.
Yeah, you out here for a minute.
Yeah. It drives really good. The steering wheel's not straight though. It's off a little bit.
My baby. How off is the steering wheel?
This is straight.
Oh, that's pretty off.
Yeah, so I gotta get that fixed. I'm about to just Google it, dude. How this? But it drives really straight now.
You can let go of the wheel
Yeah,
and
and it's not-
gooch. You look good on the front.
Is it rolling?